What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are looking at Ember. And with the Ember app, for those of you who do not know, basically it's a Bitcoin mining app. And so when you mine Bitcoin, it gives you free Bitcoin. You can use that Bitcoin or Satoshis to play games with. A bunch of other things that you can use Satoshis for on this app, or you can cash them out, and yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. So basically, today's video is just going to showcase me cashing out $40 worth of Satoshis, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how to earn those Satoshis pretty quickly. So with that being said, let's jump in to this video today. Alright, so this month, usually I don't cash out $40, but this month I kind of got lucky and we're cashing out $40. But before I show you that cash out of $40, I'd like to tell you guys a little bit of tips and tricks and things that kind of help me get to that $40 cash out. And who knows, maybe I could get another $40 cash out this month, and it could be every month. This might be a good method to use, but it's kind of a lot of luck, and it's like 50-50. You're either gonna get a little bit of money, like $40, or you're just not gonna be able to cash out for that month, because you do need a minimum of 10,000 sats, which is $10 in order to cash out. So the thing that helped me the best was mining, and mining every single day. I'm close to like 80 days. And another thing that helped me was inviting my family and friends. And every time your family and friends mine every single day that you mine, everybody's gonna get a bonus. So I believe somebody said in the comments of one of my videos that you can get a max of 100 sats an hour by referring your family or friends. And I've only received a max of 50 an hour, so I'm not quite sure if there is a max or not, but they have said that there is a max of 100 per hour. But yeah, that's another way to earn well. Just keep logging in every single day and making sure that you're actively mining, and then take those sats and use them on like roulette or some football games or things like that. And like I said, it's kind of 50-50. It's kind of luck. It's a little bit of both, and you kind of just need to be patient and it'll work out. So as you guys can see, I'm on Ember. I've logged in and I've been mining for 77 straight days, and right now I have a max of 49 Satoshis per hour. And 49 Satoshis per hour, I have 4 active friends. Shout out to you guys for being active. You basically get 12 per friend, so but basically this last cash out that I did, basically I just did roulette, and so I'll show you guys a little. I'm probably gonna lose because I'm playing on camera. We'll just bet $4K on odd, and let's just see if we win something. Yeah, we won 8K. So basically, if you keep doing that over and over and you win more than what you lose, then you should be okay. But like I said, it's a lot of luck. It's 50-50. It's not like it's, gonna hit every single time. But as you guys can see above, I already have $22 that I can cash out when my cooldown is done, because I've already cashed out. So I already have another $22 in my wallet that's ready to cash out when it's time. So that's basically all that I've been doing, and just making sure that I'm active and just getting lucky with roulette. Some people do tournaments, and some people do predictions. But predictions, you have to really know sports, and you have to really know what you're betting on. As you guys can see, I'm not a very good sports, but this is what I bet on Golden State Warriors in January, and I won 111 sats. I put 100 sats on Los Angeles Lakers and won 138 sats, but I lost more than I was betting. I only won twice out of all of those times. So that's why I kind of like roulette, because it kind of gives me a little bit of an upper hand when I'm earning. But that's just my preference. Alright, so now we're going to cash out, and this is a voiceover after the fact, by the way. But now we're going to cash out. I got 50,000 sats. 50,518 sats. But we're cashing out 40,000 something sats. Enter your BTC wallet. 40,981 is withdrawable now, which is $42.76. And withdraw, and it's done. Basically, it takes a couple minutes, but it should show up in your wallet. That's how you do it. So I know it's not really really a super tip or anything, but that's basically how I was able to earn $40 this month in sats, and I was able to cash them out. So now that I showed you guys a little bit of how I've been doing things with Ember and saving up sats and things like that, basically I'm gonna tell everybody what I've been doing. But basically, every time I cash out my sats from Ember, I will take it to another app, and then once Bitcoin is up, if Bitcoin is down, I will just let it sit until it goes back up. But once it's up, I will sell the Bitcoin, and then I'll take that Bitcoin and invest it into a stock that I know is going to earn dividends, pretty good dividends. It's going to earn like a 4% dividend on what I put in. So there's always going to be money circulating 24/7. It's always going to be producing more money and more money. And the more money that you put in to a high yield dividend stock, the more money that you're gonna get. So basically that's all that I have to show for this Ember tips and tricks video. But if you like this video, please drop a like on this video. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.